Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at something that can really add some flair to your PC build. The CAXUSD RGB extension power supply cable. Specifically, this is an ATX sleeve cable designed for your motherboard, and it boasts some pretty impressive RGB lighting effects. First impressions are important, and the white color of the cable itself is a nice touch. It provides a clean, neutral base that allows the RGB lighting to really pop. The cable feels well made, and the sleeving is tight and consistent, giving it a premium look and feel. Installation is straightforward. It's a female-to-female connector, so it simply plugs into your existing motherboard power cable and then into the motherboard itself. The flexibility of the cable is also a plus, making it easier to route and manage within your case, especially in tighter builds. But the real star of the show is, of course, the RGB lighting. This strimmer design, as they call it, uses a light-transmitting material to create a smooth and vibrant glow. The colors are rich and saturated, and the lighting effects are dynamic and eye-catching. It really elevates the overall aesthetics of your PC. Now, let's talk about the lighting effects. The CAXUSD cable is compatible with most motherboard RGB control software, allowing you to customize the colors and patterns to match your existing setup. Whether you prefer a static color, a breathing effect, or a full-blown rainbow wave, you'll likely find a setting that suits your taste. One thing to note is that this cable is primarily for aesthetics. While it does extend the power connection to your motherboard, its main purpose is to add visual appeal. If you're looking for a purely functional extension cable, there are other options available. However, if you want to add some serious RGB bling to your PC, this is definitely worth considering. The CAXUSD RGB Strimmer cable is a great way to add some personality to your PC build. It's easy to install, offers vibrant RGB lighting, and is compatible with most motherboard RGB software. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to enhance the look of your PC, this cable is definitely worth checking out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.